Only qualified personnel should install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video demonstrates the correct installation of the oak Logset into a Napoleon Ascent linear premium gas fireplace. The studs within the firebox have letters associated to them for identification. The split oak Logset requires the removal of studs A, D, F, and G. Take note of the hole in log 2, and place it in the middle rear of the firebox, over stud E. Locate the two holes in the bottom of log 1, and place them over studs C and B. Ensure that the protruding section is located above log 2. Place log 3 on the left side of the media tray, with the smaller end on log number 1, and the opposite end on the front left side of the firebox. Place log 5 on the front left side of the media tray, in between log 3 and the pilot light. Note the pilot light location and the charred area on log 6. Place the charred side of the log in front of the pilot light, in the center of the media tray, ensuring the pilot is not covered. Place log 7 on the front right side of the media tray, with the charred end angled towards the other logs, and facing outwards. Place the charred, hook-shaped end of log 4 on the back right side of the media tray, with the opposite end on top of log 7. To finalize the media installation, place the supplied charcoal on the media tray, around the logs. Glowing embers, and ambient glow embers, can be used to provide additional aesthetic appeal. Ensure the charcoal and glowing embers do not cover the burner or air intakes, and the ambient glow embers don't come in contact with the pilot. See the video description for all manual, leaflet, and part numbers for this Logset. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.